Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Menteri Ketenat Jungokai Perthai, Uba Polling Do, Haka Arp Kundai Trik Urisau, Arajar Arpsau, Leitu, Ba Shen Ketenat kan Ïakren halor ke Tyrwa, ban Pyntreikam Yaka Reciprocal Transport Agreement, Daka All Khasi Hills Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association. Hak Ïakren bat kilat Perthai Kubor, Uba Polling Do Leitu, Ba Director Ketenat Jungokai Perthai, Ula Deb ban Shong Jialang, La Arsian Genti bat Kinongilam Jongka Association. Ha kabala batharu yaki ban IT daka jingtho bat yaki jing ajingmut nakabenta ban Pyntreikam yaka Reciprocal Transport Agreement kumbalale ha kiwe jala jongkari India.
2 meetings have been taken by the director with the association concerned. They have been, the association has been asked to submit in black and white their suggestions for that reciprocal arrangement, which they say exists in other states. So once that proposal comes from them, we will take a call. But the director has been talking to these various groups.
Festivals?
We will come up with a proper contingency plan. No doubt the challenges will be there. But it is also a fact that these are huge investments we are making in order to uplift the economy of Meghalaya. So the traffic plans will be in place, and we will ensure that there is minimum discomfort to road users. Now, for instance, Cherry Blossom, which attracts the maximum number of visitors, will be at the RBDCA ground, which is accessible from all sides and therefore invites minimum inconvenience to travelers.